Hi, what's your name?
Pratiksha.
How was your exam?
It was okay, not so great, not too bad. It was just okay for me.
Okay. So, how can you give me the section-wise difficulty level of the exam?
Decision making was quite lengthy as we have to read a lot of paragraphs, like very lengthy paragraphs. It was quite a lengthy thing, and to give a right answer was quite difficult.
Okay.
And then quant was okay, but it was fine.
Okay.
And the work GK, I wasn't prepared for GK section, so it was not good for me. And I felt that like English section was good.
Okay. Did you appear for any other MBA entrance exams?
Yeah, I did that also.
Okay. Can you compare, if you would like to compare the difficulty level of the ZAT and CAT, how would you rate it?
The time management was easy here because we get extra time.
Time management was easy.
Yeah,
Okay.
with JAD. Because you get extra time, so you can give enough time to them. But obviously the difficulty for quant and the section is bit tough for this. And obviously decision making section is quite new compared to CAT section.
Okay. Okay. This was your first attempt?
Yeah.
Okay, great. All.
So, hi, what's your name?
My name is Priyanka.
So, कैसा एग्जाम था प्रियंका? मतलब क्या डिफिकल्टी लेवल लगी आपको?
काफ़ी इजी तो नहीं कहूँगी मैं, मतलब डिफिकल्ट मॉडरेट लेवल था, मॉडरेट टू डिफिकल्ट लेवल. जो रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन था वो थोड़ा लेंथी था. एंड कॉन्ट में कुछ क्वेश्चन स्टार्टिंग के इजी थे, बाद में थोड़े डिफिकल्ट हो गए थे. एंड डिसीजन मेकिंग वॉज मॉडरेट लेवल.
ओके. और हाउ डिड यू फाइंड जीके?
जीके वॉज ओके. मतलब लास्ट ईयर करंट अफेयर्स था, तो इफ़ यू नो तो तुम कर सकते हो, इतना कुछ डिफिकल्ट नहीं था.
तो आपने मॉक टेस्ट दिए थे?
मैंने मॉक टेस्ट दिए.
तो अगर मॉक से कंपेयर करें तो वाज इट डिफिकल्ट या इजी?
मॉक से कंपेयर करें तो थोड़ा इजी था.
और अदर देन दैट आपने और कौन से एग्ज़ाम दिए हैं एमबीए के?
मैंने कैट का दिया था एंड मैंने एनमैट एंड स्नैप दिया था.
तो उनके कंपैरिजन में कैसा लगा आपको डिफिकल्टी लेवल?
आई थिंक कैट से थोड़ा डिफिकल्टी लेवल कम था.
कैट से थोड़ा कम था डिफिकल्टी लेवल. और एनमैट एंड स्नैप
तो इजी रहता ही है. एनमैट से थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है.
थैंक यू.
थैंक यू.
So, hi, what's your name?
हाय, माय नेम इज श्रेया.
Shreya. So, how was your exam, Shreya? How did you find it? Difficult or easy?
Exam was pretty good. I think I found the DM section, which is quite a sort of rumored Hawa made in the ZAT section, to be quite easy. Quant was manageable. However, the DI section was pretty interesting. And VA was slightly challenging but doable.
Okay. So, and how was the GK part of the exam?
Very easy, I think. If you're somebody who keeps up with the facts that's going on around you, it wouldn't be like a very tough thing. I mean, certain questions were, I think, put up from, I think, few weeks back.
Okay.
Yeah, like who won the World Chess Championship and who was it against. So it wouldn't be that tough. Somebody who is very much aware and up to date would crack it.
Okay. And if you can recall any sections which were dominated?
DI was dominated, surprisingly. We don't see in the last couple of years, we have not seen so many calculation based sets, but DI was dominant. We are used to seeing heavy quant in ZAT, unlike the previous years where you have numericals that go up to 3 or 4 lines, but they were pretty much straight liners.
Okay. And if you can recall any topics which were surprisingly heavy on the weightage?
I think it was arithmetic, averages. There would be profit, loss and interest, and mensuration, formula based mensuration.
Okay. And if you can compare it with CAT or any other exam you took?
So I've taken 3 exams. I've taken CAT, SNAP and NMAT. According to CAT, I think the math was pretty much on the same level.
Okay.
Right? DI was slightly easier in CAT and VA was slightly easy in CAT in terms of options. So here the options were a little tricky. But in CAT, the options were pretty much straightforward. It was just a game of your time management. Here, it was time management as well as getting the right things done. So it was a slightly higher level, but with more practice, I'm sure people would be able to get it right. In terms of NMAT and SNAP, it was at a higher level. More rigorous practice is needed across all the sections.
So thank you.
Thank you.
What's your name?
Pavni.
Pavni, how was the exam?
It was good.
Okay, can you just give me a section-wise difficulty level of the exam?
Well, quants was easy. VARC थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही subjective था. मतलब usually थोड़ा सा straightforward होता है, but like it was more up to the interpretation.
Okay.
बाकी and like DM questions were also मतलब last year से थोड़ा सा tough था, but still manageable.
Okay, this was the second attempt?
No, but मैंने last year previous year papers बहुत सारे
Okay.
देखे थे.
Okay.
And GK was relatively good. मतलब पहले बहुत ज़्यादा previous years का बहुत ज़्यादा पूछा जा रहा था, but it was still मतलब current affairs ज़्यादा है statics से.
Okay, so did you appear for any other exams like for MBA entrance exams?
या CAT affairs.
Okay, how was the difficulty level compared to the CAT?
CAT से तो बहुत easier था.
It was easy?
Yeah.
Okay, can you give me the overall difficulty level of the ZAT?
Ma'am, moderate. Yeah.
It was moderate. How much score are you expecting? And how do you feel that there is no essay section right now?
मैम ऐसे सेक्शन नहीं है, वो तो बेटर ही है बिकॉज 3 hours वैसे ही बहुत लंबा है, फिर और उस पे ऐसे था तो इट वाज लाइक वे टू मच. बाकी लाइक आई एम होपिंग कि 90-95%
Oh, that's really nice. That's really nice. Okay, so were you able to attempt all the questions within the given time limit and with the negative marking?
मैम बिकॉज वो नेगेटिव मार्किंग एंड ऑल भी है तो फिर सारे क्वेश्चन तो नहीं
Correct,
अटेम्प्ट कर रहे, बट या मतलब मेजोरिटी 3/4 से ऊपर पेपर आप कंप्लीट कर लोगे इसमें.
Okay, that's very nice. Hi, what's your name?
Tanya.
Tanya, how was the exam?
Good.
Good. Okay, can you give me the section-wise difficulty level of the exam?
So in maths, the difficulty level was between moderate to difficult,
Okay.
and in decision making, it was between easy to, I would say, moderate.
Okay.
And in English, it was easy to moderate.
Okay. Can you give me the overall difficulty level of the exam?
Paper was not difficult. It was lengthy as usual, but it was not very difficult paper.
This was your first attempt?
Yeah. this was
Okay.
my
Did you appear for any other MBA entrance exams?
first. Yeah, I have applied for other exams also.
Like?
SNAP, MAT, IBSAT,
Okay.
and NMAT.
How was the IBSAT result?
Sorry.
So how was your CAT and IBSAT results?
Okay, CAT result is not good,
Okay.
but other exams result is very good.
So can you give me the difficulty, like can you compare the exam, the difficulty level of ZAT with the other entrance exams?
So let's talk about SNAP. So SNAP paper was very easy compared to that.
Okay.
And let's talk about MAT paper. MAT paper was also very easy. And NMAT paper was bit difficult than that. I felt like that.
Okay, and CAT? Wasn't
That
it
was
easy?
very difficult for
Very
me. I felt like that.
Okay. Thank you. What's your name?
My name is Tanya.
Tanya, how was your exam?
I think it was moderately difficult, but I think because my quant is a little weak on that side, so I couldn't attempt a lot of questions in the quant. But I think because my critical reasoning is very good, according to me, I'm not sure of what my answers that I've marked on the paper. So it was okay. DM and VLR was okay.
Okay, this was your first attempt?
No, this was my second attempt. ZAT.
Okay, so can you compare me the difficulty level of ZAT in previous year and this year?
I think previous year the DM were relatively more difficult. This year I think because I've prepared more, so the critical reasoning and all those paragraphs I could comprehend more like elaboratively, and it was basically depends on the preparation you have done. So I can't compare because the last exam I gave, it was more of a mock, sort
Okay.
of a trial for me. So as per how the exam is, but this time I'm prepared for the exam, so it was okay.
Can you compare me with the like other MBA entrance exams and ZAT? How was the difficulty level?
I think as compared to CAT this year, it was more on CAT is most on basically CAT is more of what you have prepared for, but ZAT is a adaptive test where you have to like increase your it tests your logic basically. It doesn't test how you're prepared, but ZAT में consistency is very important. At the same time, you have to build a logic and be practical more in how you select your answers as per real scenarios and DMs and all of that. I think it was